In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your TikTok account to your TikTok shop. It's super easy, so let's go ahead and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred internet browser. It could be anything you normally use like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar, usually found at the top of your window. Now type in TikTok Shop and press enter. This search will direct your browser to seek out the TikTok Shop webpage for you. From the results that pop up, look for either TikTok Shop or TikTok Shop Seller Center. This should be one of your top results on the page, so it won't be difficult to spot. Go ahead and click on that link to get started. Now that you've landed on the TikTok Shop page, you'll notice a couple of options presented to you. If you're new to TikTok or TikTok Shop, you have the option to sign up directly. There's another option specifically for those who already have a TikTok account and want to streamline this process. Choose Sign Up with TikTok Account to automatically connect your TikTok account to your TikTok shop. This step combines the efficiency of using your existing TikTok credentials with the ease of setting up your shop without separate login data. Alternatively, if you prefer a manual approach or have separate credentials, there's an option to log in manually. You can do this by clicking on the login button and inputting your details. Some might prefer this method for an extra sense of control or if they manage multiple TikTok accounts. Nonetheless, for our smooth and simple tutorial today, let's stick with the automatic option. Click on Sign Up with TikTok Account. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully linked your TikTok account to your TikTok shop. It's as simple as a few clicks. You're now ready to explore all the possibilities that come with integrating your social media presence with e-commerce. This setup allows for a more cohesive online presence, enabling you to reach a broader audience and possibly enhance your business interactions on TikTok. Remember, having your TikTok account connected opens up new avenues for engaging followers and customers with featured products, promotions, and exclusive content. So feel free to explore the endless opportunities that come with this new setup. As always, stay tuned for more quick and helpful tutorials like this one. We hope you found this guide informative and, of course, easy to follow. Happy creating and selling on TikTok.